woke up kinda moody. I'm riding around, I'm with a freak bitch, I'm grabbing on her booty. My middle finger down the middle, I'm trying to feel some coochie. Man, I'm a young fuck nigga, I'm feeling like I'm Lucci. Cause I be treating these hoes wrong just like they used to do me. So I'ma nail them right to the cross.
So y'all, what we working with? Day 2.
Alright, YouTube, we back, but we behind for referral. I wasn't really showing y'all what we had going on, but after we grabbed our private members merch, man, from staff, I'm putting on my brand new RGB side markers, man. Let me know what y'all boys is thinking of these, man. These ones is way better and different compared to all the old side markers, y'all, because these ones I can literally change it off the remote. Like, we literally got any color we want it to be, y'all. What's going on with it, YouTube? As our boys can see, starting the video off inside because your boy Germ air pump is flat. You feel me? So what we doing is replacing this one with a different one, y'all, because this one went bad on me and I have not had it not even that long, y'all. So let's hurry up. Let's swap it out real quick. So boys can see, we is back. We got the air pump, and I'm just not realizing, y'all, when I got back that this one is definitely different than the other one, because the other one had like a twist release on it and this one don't. And then I also noticed that this one sound way different, so I hope this one don't put air in it as slow as the other one, but I hope it still just get the job done. You feel me? All right, YouTube, man, as y'all boys can see, your boy Germ done made it to the gas station. We got air in the tire of the 345. We about to go link up with my boy Staff because we about to go grab us our private members merch, man. Give us some round of applause in the top, man. If y'all boys do not know, I told y'all boys last video that the private members will be dropping some merch, man. And we got some hoodies that we about to go grab today. Well, a hoodie for me, but y'all gonna be able to see both styles of the hoodies on hand and on camera. So let's go show y'all boys after I go ahead and pump this gas, man. Fast dude, we gotta come pull through the trim and loud for him, you feel me? So let's go ahead and park up real quick, man. YouTube, man. So as our boys can see, man.
Oh, shit sound loud as fuck.
It do?
Maybe I ain't just heard. No shit.
What? No, I'm about to say, you know, I ain't changed the exhaust to it. I still gotta get them catless meat dudes.
Bro.
I gotta redo my pink lip too. I was just in the house fucking with it. Well, in the garage.
Wait, what you got it?
That's tape. That's just
tape?
vibrant ass tape. Yeah, I was just fucking with the X-Acto knife and trying to trim it down, but I'm about to go ahead and just redo the whole thing.
Yeah, you been sliding.
Uh-huh.
You been sliding.
He said, yeah, you been sliding. Bro. You coming to Thompson with us on the 12th?
On the 12th? No, I ain't even see it.
I'm about to say, yeah, if you pull up on the 12th, I'll probably do you a little key toss, man. All right, vlog, man. Hold on, set them down on the hood. Show y'all what we working with. So, y'all, we got the blue one and the red one. But they packed up, so I don't want to... Oh, wait, I can open it up with the seal. All right, let me open it up with the seal real quick, y'all. All right, tube, so... Damn. Oh, yeah, I'm about to say, hold on. We about to go ahead and cook up, take some pictures real quick for y'all boys. And then I'm going to go ahead and come back on the vlog for y'all.
I woke up kinda moody. I'm riding around, I'm with a freak bitch, I'm grabbing on her booty. My middle finger down the middle, I'm trying to feel some coochie. Man, I'm a young fuck nigga, I'm feeling like I'm Lucci. Cause I be treating these hoes wrong just like they used to do me. So I'ma nail them right to the...
YouTube, so what y'all boys thinking, man? You fucking with it? I ain't gonna lie. The private members merch came so trim, y'all. Let me know down in the comment section what color y'all will grab. Would y'all grab the gray, white, and pink? Or would y'all grab the black, blue, and pink, man? Me personally, y'all know Jerm gotta go with the pink. So I can go with all the pink accents and it's gray, you feel me? But the blue one's still tough too, y'all. So let me know down in the comment section what boys are grabbing. And if y'all looking at these two, these is a medium too. That's the size that I grabbed too. So if y'all look at what size I wear, y'all could most likely fit a medium or a small. So make sure y'all boys go grab them real soon before they sell out. Also, like I said, I'm gonna be grabbing the gray one, man. And then, of course, well, let me go ahead and put it on for y'all boys. All right, YouTube, we back, but we behind for referral. I wasn't really showing y'all what we had going on. But after we grabbed our private members merch, man, from staff, this will be a day or 3 days later, y'all, I'm putting on my brand new RGB side markers, man. Let me know what y'all boys is thinking of these, man. These ones is way better and different compared to all the old side markers, y'all, because these ones I can literally change it off the remote. Like, we literally got any color we want it to be, y'all. So these ones gonna be hard because now I can really just do based off whatever my mood is. And we're gonna go ahead and hurry up and install these boys for y'all real quick. So let me go ahead and slap it into this side, go to the other side, then go to the back, then go to the other side of the back. YouTube, and we got the first side successfully on. So as y'all boys can see how they changing colors based off of whatever they want to be changed to. So now let me go ahead and get the other ones, but like I said, this remote pretty much changes everything. So we're gonna have them on pink, set with the pink side markers and anything, y'all. Even though the pink's a little bit off, y'all see the vision. Alright, YouTube, we is back day 2, y'all. I keep doing it off a vlog, y'all, because I really don't have too much storage. But showing y'all boys last night, we got the fronts in. The backs still do not work, y'all. Unfortunately, I was thinking it was just the old side markers, y'all, but it is the actual wiring harness in the back from when I had bumped it into that tree. So we got the back in, y'all, but it does not function, unfortunately. So here go the back getting put on right now. And then let me go ahead and do the opposite side real quick for y'all boys too, man. Didn't show y'all how to do the last side, so I'm gonna show y'all how to do this one. What you just do is you get a prop bar, prop tool, flathead, anything like that, and you just pull these outward, y'all. And it do sound like it's cracking, but that's fine because these side markers is not getting used no more. But look at how much dirt and debris was all behind this specific side marker and stuff. Like, this shows that it could be something with my wiring harness being dirty and stuff like that, y'all. But we're gonna find out, and we're gonna pray that hopefully we can get this to work. But let me know what y'all boys think about the new sticker on this boy too, for real. But once you get all this little dirt and debris off, or do whatever you want to do for your car, you flip it to this side. This tab has to get pushed outward, y'all. So you use your flathead screwdriver, or you can use a prop tool, and you gotta push this tab up. And then when you look on the inside, you gotta push on the bottom of the black tab on there, y'all. So you gotta push the black tab upward. So stick this under the black tab and push it up, and it should slide right out, y'all. So that's how you can do that off of camera real quick, and then show y'all with the side marker actually out. Side is out, y'all. So let's go ahead and put in the brand new side marker, and I'm gonna put this in just for y'all, just so y'all can see that the back is still not working based off of my side markers. I might need a new wiring harness for the back, y'all, or it might need to get repaired. And then in this video, we also is gonna touch up on our not our reflective tape, but we're gonna touch up on our tape on this, because I plan on, I don't know, y'all. I got some plans for 345. I got some gloss black wrap, y'all. So we might be gloss black wrapping something. So we're going to figure something out. But we is going to be touching up on this side of my tape, y'all, because y'all see how some of them is uneven and they come a little bit over the other part. So we're going to touch upon that too. But let's go ahead and put the other brand new side marker in right here. Each and every one of them is labeled, y'all. So if y'all was confused, y'all would know this one say right. So now let's hook up the brand new one and make sure this say right. Say right on it. So now let's go ahead and stick our connector in, put it in place, and then pull this plastic off the front of it, y'all. And we got the second one in, y'all. Not the second, the third one in. Let's go to the front and put in the last side marker so we can finish this off, and then show y'all boys what the fronts look like, since we don't got the backs as of right now. And then y'all see we got a little bit of thread. What should we do with this thread, YouTube? We don't got a lot of thread. We barely got even pinky space, but we got a little something to play with, just a little bit. So y'all gotta let me know, man. And like I said, we got these matched up to say right headlight, right headlight. So now let's go ahead and stick this connector in real quick. Boy in there. And now let's go ahead and put it in. So you start with this side first, and then you do it back. So pretty much like boom. Oh wait, no, you go from back to front, y'all. I apologize. And y'all see it literally just slide right in. And boom, y'all. Now we got all 4 of them successfully added in. So let me go ahead and cut back on the lights so I can show y'all what they look like. So now let's go ahead and cut on the 3, 4, 5 and see what we got. So yeah, we do got power for the front. Still none for the back. Let's check this side. No, still none for the back. But we do got the side working too. And I do gotta go get the remote so I can change this color to pink, because every side jaw you could change them to however you want. So I can rock this side red, that side yellow, that side green, and that side blue if I wanted to. You could do whatever you want based off of the remote. So let me go ahead and get the remote and show y'all. And then we also gonna be adding these stickers, probably this one, but I don't know what we're gonna do with this one. But we're gonna add the sticker on the 345 somewhere else too. By the side, I'm gonna put them under the hood. So I'm gonna put one of them probably on this. And yeah, we just gonna add them in the 345 somewhere, y'all. So y'all gonna see how we get this done, man.